So here's the Apple Watch Series 9. Got this item a couple of months ago, and this is my first Apple Watch. I have placed my order right after it was launched by my friend Tim Sawyer. I have finally found the right Apple Watch for myself, at least at this point of my life. I am not saying this is currently the best one you can buy out there, but this is what I needed for now. Actually, I was waiting for the Apple Watch Ultra version 2, but it didn't meet my expectation, which was augmented by so-called Apple leaks from other tech YouTubers. I will explain in another video why I picked this Apple Watch Series 9 for now, at least, over the Apple Watch Ultra 2. But mainly it has something to do with the color choices and other features that did not materialize. Here's the original Apple Watch charger, which weighs 2.7 tons and has got a braided texture cable, which I think has a very good score on the sturdiness department if compared with other rubber-wrapped Apple charging cables. I got the bigger size 45mm watch, and I chose the rubber sports band for it to come with. And after almost 2 months, I now have 3 other types of bands and bracelets. Let me know in the comment section if you want me to do a quick review video of them. Product links in the description below. Allow me to appreciate the physical beauty of this piece of metal for a minute. Of course, you have to set it up using an iPhone. In my case, it's iPhone 14 Pro, which is about a year old in my possession. The Series 9 requires the latest iOS software on the iPhone, so I needed to install that first. According to Apple, this model has brighter screen, and I must say I never had any issues with the brightness of the screen so far while using it under the broad daylight of England, where there isn't much of that here anyway. It has upgraded sensors as well for more accurate heart rate monitoring and all those kind of stuff. Battery-wise, this can last me about 24 to 30 hours before the battery drops to the last 10%, and that is with moderate use, including activity monitoring, water reminder and monitoring, sleep monitoring, alarms, receiving calls, and all other messages, and with the hand gesture thingy activated. Being a first-time Apple Watch user, I am still so fond of using different Apple faces, or technically the screensavers or wallpapers of Apple Watches. I can always match it to different bands I use by customizing the color palette and the overall design of the watch screen. Let me know what other information you would like to know from an actual user of this model in terms of real day-to-day user experience, because I am not the nerdy techie researchy type of tech reviewer, and many people do it a lot better than me, or I just simply let them dominate, because for me, what's more important is the experience we get from using our gadgets and devices, and that I think is what I can offer you best. This is how it looks on my wrist, and I am a 5'7" semi-sedentary Asian guy with a BMI of a little over 25. Anything bigger than this size of a watch might look a bit too big on me. Of course, I tried the hand gesture sensor thing just out of excitement, but obviously I haven't activated it yet at this point. I did later on, and it's fancy but not really helpful for me based on my day-to-day activity. I'm sure it is more useful when you're like wall climbing or those kind of activities when your other hand is busy. By the way, if you found any value from this video, please help this channel simply by hitting the like button. But if you want more of these kinds of tech contents, you might as well just subscribe to make your life a little bit more meaningful. Before I forget, I also tried different protectors for my watch, which I can also make a quick review video of if you want. Just let me know in the comment section below. But I will also leave some product links in the description of this video. But to give you an idea which is my best pick, here's how my Apple Watch Series 9 looks at the moment.